Hey everybody, I want to do a quick review on this portable power bank system, or this is the solar panel kit. It's the 18 volt 45 watt. So it has a nice kickstand on the back. It's designed to be set up outside, and then you flip out your different solar panels. Let me show you how that's done. You unvelcro this, they fold out, and then the kickstand itself holds them up. So you put them out on the ground, you get them to catch the sun rays, and that gives you your power. This is an amazing kit, great value, great durability. I've been using it for a while now. You know, I use it to charge all kinds of things. The nice thing about this kit is it comes with the different, you know, power adapters you might need. You get your carabiners, how you want to hold it. This is a brand new version. I got this sent to me. I'm doing a review because I just opened this one. You know, I've been using these for a while. I highly recommend them. You can charge all kinds of stuff, your cell phones. You can charge up battery banks. You know, there's a vast variety of different plugs and chargers that you can use. I really can't say anything negative about this thing. It's a great option, a great value. I highly recommend it. I hope this video is helpful. Seeing it in person. Thanks for watching.